Welcome to our JavaScript tutorial series. Subscribe to our channel now to join a community of learners and dive into the exciting world of coding. Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are tackling an important topic that can be a bit tricky for beginners called prototypal inheritance in JavaScript. But fear not, we are going to break it down step by step. So let's start by imagining we are running a pizza restaurant and we sell lot of types of pizzas. But they all share some common characteristics like the crust and the size of pizza. Watch the screen as I type out the code to represent this using JavaScript. So first what we do is that we define a base pizza function to create all our pizzas. Inside that we set default values of those pizzas for and we're setting the default values for the characteristics of those pizzas which we have mentioned before, that is the crust and the size. So the values which we are giving right now is thin and medium. Now let's add a method to our pizza function to bake the pizza. This method will log the messages to simulate the baking process. Next, we want to create a specific type of pizza, say a pepperoni pizza, and this pepperoni pizza will inherit from a base pizza function. Watch as I type the code to do this. We also now need to make sure that the pepperoni pizza prototype which we have created inherits from the pizza prototype. So check out this as I do this by using object.create method. Finally, watch the screen as I create an instance of pepperoni pizza, customize it and bake it using the inherited bake method. So for creating an instance, I need to do const, I'll create a variable called my pizzas equal to and create a new instance of pepperoni pizza that we have created above. So I'll just copy this so that I don't miss the spelling. Then I just want to customize the default properties of the characteristics of the pizza. So this time what I want to eat is not the medium pizza that we have set as default, but the large pizza. And also I want to add an extra topping. And as you remember, the topping property is an array property. As you remember, we have declared at the line 17 that it has default, it has pepperoni and cheese, but we also want to push, let's imagine I want to push mushrooms. I want to add mushroom to my pepperoni pizza. So I add mushroom, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to call the bake function to bake the pizza. So my pizza dot bake, and let's run the code. So before running the code, if you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up so that it can reach more viewers and more learners for free. So I'm running the script. Uncaught error cannot read properties of undefined reading dot push. Okay, so this cannot read. Okay, I think there is a spelling mistake here. So it is toppings I have given, I have not included the s, so I'll include the s. Now run the script again, and as you can see here, it is saying your pizza is baking, that is this log, and then after 3 seconds, if you must have noticed, after 3 seconds it gave a console log saying that ding, your pizza is ready. And there you have it, our pizza is baking and soon it will be ready to enjoy for you all. Prototypal inheritance might seem complex at first, but with practice, you will master it in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this and happy coding. Thank you.